look off to the right, you're going to see our heritage flight of the Air Mobility Command. Inbound right now is a C-17 flying with a C-47 Skytrain. That DC-3 derivative, the C-47, is also called the Dakota. The U.S. military transport aircraft that served in all theaters in World War II and continued into service long afterwards. It has been used to haul cargo, transport troops, drop paratroopers, tow gliders, and as a flying ambulance. The C-47, excuse me, was a military adaptation of the Douglas DC-3, a twin-engine, low-wing monoplane with retractable landing gear that quickly dominated the infant commercial airline industry from its first appearance in 1935. With war clouds gathering over Europe, the Army Air Forces ordered a military version of the DC-3 in 1939. The first of these was the designated the C-53 Skytrooper, and it entered production in October of 1941. Some 250 were produced. But the definitive military version of the C-47, with its reinforced fuselage, stronger cabin floors for heavy loads, large doors in the rear for loading cargo and dropping parachutes, and more powerful engines. The C-47 entered production in January of 1942, equipped with metal benches down the side for 28 fully armed paratroopers. The normal payload was 5,000 pounds, but the C-47 could carry over 6,000 pounds in an emergency. It is also noted to have flown with over 8,000 pounds in the cargo space. The spacious rear fuselage cargo doors accommodated jeeps, light trucks, and anything of the equivalent weight before. It could be opened and closed in flight to drop troops or cargo by parachute. This layer capability was in a spacious cabin made the C-47 far away the best parachute delivery craft of the war. Finally, the C-47 was able to also tow two CD-4 Waco assault gliders and one of the large British Whistler gliders, and as with an air ambulance, the C-47 could carry 18 stretcher cases and a medical crew of 3. C-47s dropped troops, U.S. and British troops in North Africa, Sicily, Normandy, and Arnhem, and across the Rhine. The operations were most spectacular. The significance took place on the eve of D-Day, June 6, 1944, when more than 1,000 C-47s were involved in dropping units and British paratroopers and towing assault parties to areas behind the beaches. The C-47 was also used to insert British and U.S. troops behind Japanese lines in Burma, now Myanmar, by gliders. They were also used to paratroop drops in the Pacific as well. Notably on Corregidor Island in the Philippines, more mundane and probably of great importance, the C-47 was used to haul earth. The C-47 was delivered in large numbers to the U.S. allies under lease. It was built in a license in the Soviet Union, where it was designated NIL-2, and remained the backbone of internal air transport well into 1960. The C-47 was a pillar of the U.S. military aircraft during the early stages of the Cold War, figuring large in the 1948 Berlin airlift and the Korean War. The C-47 was used in Vietnam as an electric warfare collection aircraft, and it's a DC-47, better known as the Magic Bird. Of flying the C-47, or C-17 rather, which is capable of much higher airspeeds than the C-47. You can see that our Globemaster 3 had its flaps deployed so they could slow down to maintain station off of the large speed differential with the C-47. And Major, you're back.
I am back. We came across, we had a little radio difficulty over there with a man versus machine, but if we got it worked out, I couldn't hear a word, so if you heard some things that were a little redundant, sorry about that. We'll get it fixed by this end.